हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू क्लास सीरीज़। आज के इस वीडियो में हम जो हमारी पोम है डस्ट ऑफ स्नो, उस पोम के हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। बेसिकली जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक है उसमें आपका जो मेन है ना थिंकिंग अबाउट द पोम, उसके हमारी टोटल यहाँ पर 3 क्वेश्चंस है। तीनों क्वेश्चंस को हम यहाँ पर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। हमारा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन आता है, व्हाट इज़ अ डस्ट ऑफ स्नो? वेयर डज द पोएट से हैज़ चेंज हिज मूड? हाउ हैज़ द पोएट्स मूड चेंज? इसका आंसर आपको स्क्रीन पर दिख रहा होगा। अ डस्ट ऑफ स्नो मीन्स पार्टिकल्स ऑफ स्नो हेल्ड टुगेदर। द फॉलिंग ऑफ द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो ऑन हिम चेंज हिज मूड। फर्स्ट ही फेल्ट सैड, बट द फॉलिंग ऑफ द डस्ट ऑफ स्नो चेंज्ड हिज मूड. It changed it towards the beauty of nature or in a different way. हमारा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, how does frost present nature in this poem? The following questions may help you to think of an answer. ऑप्शन ए का है, जो हमारा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है वह क्या कहता है, What are the birds that are usually named in the poems? Do you think a crow is often mentioned in the poems? What images comes to your mind when you think of a crow? हमारे फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर है, birds with great qualities are usually named in poems. Some of such popular birds are cuckoo, myna, peacock, parrot, etc. A crow is rarely mentioned in poems. However, it is mentioned where there are tragic or serious themes. It is looked at ominously. When I think of a crow, I make images of sadness. This may also be of some bad happening or somebody's coming to my house. हमारा सेकंड सब क्वेश्चन है, अगेन what is a hemlock tree? Why doesn't the poet write about a more beautiful tree such as maple or an oak or a pine? इसका आंसर है, a hemlock tree is a poisonous plant. It has small white flowers. The poet does not do so. It is because it in bracket, which is the crow, suits better the occasion. It also suits the pitiable mood he is in. हमारा थर्ड सब क्वेश्चन है, what do the crow and hemlock represent? Joy or sorrow? What does the dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree stand for? इसका आंसर है, the crow and a hemlock tree represent sorrow and evil. The dust of snow stands for some natural joy or something joyful. It means the sad day is going to change. It is going to change into something joyful for the poet. हमारा थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, have there been times when you felt depressed or hopeless? Have you experienced a similar moment that changed your mood that day? इसका आंसर है, there have been times when I felt sad, depressed and hopeless, but after that something has taken place that has changed those sad moments into those of relief. For example, once I felt sad when I got a letter of rejection for a job, but after an hour or so I got a telephone. I was asked to join another job.